Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you see that ugly rust look that's on the rotor there in the hub, I'm going to show you how to change it so it looks nice like this. So make sure you're using high temperature paint, otherwise it will run and get messy. So you want to use the right paint. But as you can see with the wheel removed, all this nasty color rust that looks really bad. I did try sanding some of it down with a drill and everything, but it's very time consuming. So what I did here is use painter's tape 1 inch at a time to make a nice circular motion there and masked off everything here. You definitely don't want your brake rotor having this, so I masked it off and then put a towel over it. I put it over the lug nut threads so that you don't have any problems with the paint interfering with your lug nuts. And then just went through and very gently just dusted it. Not very thick on the paint. And again, you want to use a high heat temperature paint. Otherwise, when you're all done, the heat from the brakes can make it start to melt. So as you can see, we just dusted this off. 15 minutes or later, we just came in and peeled the paint off. And so it's not a perfect circle, but it's pretty darn close. The brake rotor will probably rub the rest of it. You just don't want a lot of it on your brake rotor. So this is how bad it looked before, and then after you can see how nice that dark paint works. They also make rotors that are zinc coated or they are painted already. So next time you change your brakes, upgrade to those. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.